On fast indoor rinks, athletes glide at high speed using inline hockey skates, where raw materials transform into high-performance skates engineered for precision, durability, and athletic performance worldwide. Inside a modern American factory, raw materials are prepared carefully, marking the beginning of a process that combines engineering, craftsmanship. Plastic pellets are heated and melted, forming the base material used to create durable skate boot shells designed to handle high stress and impact. Molten plastic is injected into molds, shaping the rigid outer structure of the skate boot, with exact dimensions required for performance. Newly molded skate boots cool on conveyors, solidifying their shape while robotic arms remove and prepare them for further refinement and assembly. Edges of the boot shells are trimmed and polished, ensuring smooth finishes and removing imperfections that could affect comfort or structural integrity. Inner padding is inserted carefully, providing cushioning and support that allows athletes to maintain comfort during long and intense skating sessions. Outer layers are applied tightly to the boot, reinforcing durability and creating a strong protective structure designed for repeated high-impact use. Metal frames are cut and shaped precisely, forming the base that will hold wheels and provide balance and control during movement. Aluminum frames are polished to a smooth finish, reflecting light and ensuring high-quality appearance and durability for professional use. Wheels are molded from polyurethane material, designed to provide grip, speed, and durability on various skating surfaces used in inline hockey. Bearings are inserted into wheels, allowing smooth rotation and minimizing friction to enhance speed and performance during skating movements. Wheels are attached securely to frames, forming the rolling system that enables fluid and controlled motion during gameplay. The boot is mounted onto the frame, completing the main structure of the skate and ensuring stability and proper alignment. Laces and fastening systems are installed, allowing users to tighten the skate securely for better control and comfort during use. Branding and logos are applied, giving the skates a professional appearance while representing the manufacturer's identity and product quality. Finished skates move along the production line, representing the end of assembly and readiness for testing and quality assurance processes. Wheels are spun rapidly on machines to test speed and smoothness, ensuring proper rotation and performance under simulated conditions. Pressure tests evaluate the strength of the skate boot, confirming it can withstand impact and continuous use without structural failure. Skates are tested for smooth rolling motion, ensuring stability and proper alignment for controlled movement during gameplay. Simulated rough surface tests evaluate how wheels and frames handle stress, ensuring durability under intense skating conditions. Workers clean and polish skates, removing dust and preparing them for final packaging and delivery to markets worldwide. Each pair of skates is placed carefully into branded boxes, ensuring protection and presentation before distribution begins. Boxes are grouped into cartons, optimizing space for efficient transport through warehouse and shipping systems. Forklifts carry cartons through large warehouse aisles, maintaining organization and smooth flow toward shipping areas. Cartons are loaded into trucks, beginning their journey from factory production to retail stores across the country. Trucks travel long highways, delivering inline hockey skates to sports stores and customers nationwide. Shipments reach distribution centers, where products are prepared for display and sale to athletes and sports enthusiasts. Skates are arranged neatly on store shelves, showcasing design, structure, and features to attract potential buyers. An athlete selects a pair, examining wheels and build quality, recognizing the importance of reliable equipment for performance. Athlete wears the skates, tightening laces carefully to ensure a secure and comfortable fit before stepping onto the rink. Warm-up skating begins, showing smooth gliding motion as the skates respond to every movement with precision and control. The athlete accelerates rapidly across the rink, wheels spinning smoothly and supporting dynamic motion during high-speed gameplay. Sharp turns and quick stops demonstrate the grip and stability of the skates, essential for competitive inline hockey performance. During gameplay, the skates enable fast movement and agility, supporting players in intense and fast-paced hockey action. Close-up views show wheels gripping the surface, highlighting traction and stability during rapid directional changes. Sudden stops create controlled friction, showing how skates handle stress while maintaining balance and control. Players celebrate after the match, their performance supported by equipment engineered for speed, durability, and precision. Under bright lights, inline hockey skates represent innovation and engineering, transforming raw materials into essential tools for modern athletic performance.